Hello, everybody. How are you today? I hope you're good. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have an entry to my 2K challenge giveaway. Cool stamps. VSJ Crafts. Okay, package. Here's a card. Let's open the card. You guys enjoying your weekend? I know I'm stuck home this weekend. The husband is at work. It says, congrats. Oh, I like how that looks. And it says, congratulations on the growth of your channel. Please accept my entry into your 2K challenge. I am not doing videos this time. Trying to get my system set up. VSJ Crafts. Wilma. Okay. Thank you. Trying to get her system set up. Oh, I'll get it. Okay. Alright, just got it wrapped in this tissue paper. She's going to be my 28th entry. I am so stoked over how many entries I got. I'm very happy. Oh, wow. This is unique. Oh, wow. This is really cool. It's round. I've never received a round one. Look at this. Oh, my God. She got one of those little girls I just recently bought. She's got a doily or a die cut that's a doily. Another doily. I can't remember. Rosette. A bow and some bling, and then a banner, and it says the next chapter in your life, and she's got some bling there, and it's round. Sorry about my hands. I was dying. I could show you. Where'd I put them? I shouldn't say dying. I was spraying. Oh, I don't know where I put them. They're somewhere. If you guys could see my desk right now, it's a disaster. Well, I can't show you because I don't know where I put them. Let's see where she is. Velma is her name. She's from North Carolina. She's VSJ Crafts. Sharpie Johnson on Instagram. Velma Sharp Johnson on Facebook. Her birthday is August 1st. Her favorite color is purple and clean and simple. And memory decks cards. May 20th, 2021. I like how she did that. All right, let's get this all down. Oh, sorry. So we're going to be VSJ Crafts. VSJ Crafts. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. She is taking a break, but she'll be back up and running in no time. Oh, here they are. This is what I was doing, guys. That's why my hands look the way they do. That's why I changed my name. Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Because I'm always messy. It's very fitting these days. Alright. Get the box here. Put that up there. VSJ Crafts. And in we go. Boom. Thank you so much. My little box is getting really packed with the memory decks cards. And like I said, I plan on making a different box. This is just a temporary one because I want to show them all again during the live. So I want to thank each and every one of you that is watching. Also, if you are entering, and like I said, today's the 29th. I'm not counting money, no mail date. Saturday the 5th is the last day they can get to me. I will be picking the winner on the 6th instead of the 5th. I forgot I had a pool party on the 5th, and we're spending the night out at Diamonds. So, and I have to be there at 10 o'clock. So my mail comes later in the afternoon. Ow, I'm sorry, I got a backache. Oh, I'm having back spasms. Ooh. Sorry about that. So, if you still want to enter, please take a picture of your Memorex card, and then it packaged up and addressed and stamped, whatever you need to do to get it to mailed out to me. Take the picture of it and send it to my Tina's Crafty Life at gmail.com, and I will still enter you. And let me know that when you mail it out, if it gets here before the 5th or after the 5th. It'll be the 5th or the 6th or the 7th. I will go the 6th. Yeah. Sunday evening. It'll be late evening. Probably Sunday to pick the winner. I want to thank each and every one of you that have entered this. I'm so excited. I'm 2 away from making 30. So that's pretty cool. I know I got another few coming. So I'm very pleased how many people have entered. I'm glad. Thank you so much. As always, be happy. Be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.